right now. March on up, take a seat. Perry got a block of wood and a knife in steady hands. Rotary tools on the bench. He can shape a grin by noon. Carving wood to relax and share it with his friends. He looks at the grain, finds a hidden shape. One clean cut and the world can change. Perry the carving wizard, bring that smile back. Perry the carving wizard, watch the wood come alive. Left, left, right now, march on up, take a seat. Perry the carving wizard, he can teach you something sweet. Hey! He wore the uniform with pride, Kentucky Guard, U.S. Army strong. Years from Iraq still echo, but the knife helps him carry on. Not for fame, not for gold, just to lift somebody's day. Show a neighbor a new technique, then hand the art away. Every chip that falls takes a little weight. Every little bird learns to fly from the grain. Perry the carving wizard, bring that smile back. Perry the carving wizard, watch the wood come alive. Left, left, right now, march on up, take a seat.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Y'all come back now.